Hello students, in this video I am going to give the introduction of pair of linear equations in two variables. As you already studied in class 9th the linear equations in two variables, but here first we will recap it. What is linear equation? The first question comes in mind. A linear equation is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. A is the coefficient, x is the variable and b is the constant. The power of x in this always remains 1. Linear equation in two variables. When there come the two variable, we will take x and y as variable. You can take another variable also. Here I am taking ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a and b are coefficients, x and y are variables and c constant, and the equation becomes ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A, b and c are real numbers and a, b cannot be 0. If a is equal to 0, equation becomes by plus c is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, then equation becomes ax plus c is equal to 0. Both becomes one variable equation. So a and b cannot be 0. Now I hope you understand up to now linear equations in two variables. And we are proceeding further the pair of linear equations in two variables. When here comes the word pair, this means two. You have to take two linear equation in two variables. Here I am taking a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The same condition applies here. a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. X and y are variables. Both a1, b1, a2, b2 cannot be is equal to 0. So the equation becomes a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now I am taking an example. 5x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. We are taking two variables and two equations. In the whole chapter we have to take pair of linear equations in two variables. This means we have take two equations in the whole chapter. Now here comes how to represent the linear equations graphically. As already you have done this in class 9th, but here we will take small recap of it. When we draw linear equation graphically, there comes three possibilities. First possibility is the two lines will intersect each other, or you can say the two lines will intersect at one point. When we draw it on graph, the x and y axis, you have to take two axes, one x and one y axis in a plane. And here the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 is drawn as a line, and another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is drawn and another line. Now the both lines are intersecting at a point. These are called intersecting lines. And the next possibility comes the two lines will not intersect each other, that is they are parallel. Parallel means the distance between both the lines will not change throughout whole the plane. When we draw both the lines in a graph, the distance remains same. Here in this figure you can see a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are drawn in this plane. These are called parallel lines. And the last possibility, the two lines will be coincident. Coincident means overlapping, the overlapping of two lines. And when we draw this in figure, we will see that both lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. They are coincident lines, that is one upon another, that is overlapping. Now I am concluding this video. In the next video I will give some examples to you to represent the linear equations graphically. And thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and like my video.